and it don't change. If I had it my way, you should know that you are. You're the coffee that I need in the morning. You're the sunshine in the rain when it's pouring. Won't you give yourself to me, give it all. I just wanna see, I just wanna see how.
I've already prepped my skin and now I'm putting on some primer. And syempre, ang ating pangmalakasang brows. Medyo makapal kasi yung brows ni Miss Kim. So, yeah. Tapos, I'm just filling it in with parang a gray matte eyeshadow. Kasi nga medyo makapal ang kanyang kilay. Medyo mas full dito sa ends. Tiwala lang guys. Trust the process. Gusto kong gamitin ito para may shimmer na siya agad. Tapos isang pink, baby pink na eyeshadow. Lagyan ko lang siya ng crease. Mild crease lang. Kasi minsan, nagiging monolid ako eh. Ano ba? Lagyan ng gray eyeshadow dito. Then, i-connect natin. Then, mag-tight line tayo sa taas. Then, let's curl our lashes. And let's apply some mascara. So, nilagyan ko ng custom-made false lashes ko. I made the false lashes myself. And then, let's do the foundation, which is actually just concealer. And then we blend. Then, iset na rin natin siya. Then, let's contour. Very light lang yung contour niya. Let's contour the nose as well. And then, let's go for the blush. Konting-konti. Tapos ito. From Chanel. And then lips.
And it don't change. If I had it my way, you should know that you are. You're the coffee that I need in the morning. You're the sunshine in the rain when it's pouring. Won't you give yourself to me, give it all. I just wanna see, I just wanna see how beautiful you are.
And this is the final look. I actually exceeded my own expectations this time. This is, I think, the third time I did a Kim Domingo transformation. And every time, parang mas nai-improve palalo yung makeup skills on myself. And I think that's the whole point eh. The whole point of trying to do makeup is to, aside from, make yourself look good, it's to improve your own skills as well. So this is actually one look that I would recommend for Valentine's. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you again next time. Bye!